And we're back to Photoshop's Generative Fill. This time I'm going to show you how your selection influences what's being generated. So let us say we want to have a horse right here. I use a rectangle selection, type in horse and generate it. The AI seems to understand the aspect ratio of my selection, and now it gives me a horse in a horizontal perspective so that we can see the side of it. Or let's just say we want to have a horse that faces the camera. We simply inverse the aspect ratio. And now we'll get a vertical result. What you can also do to try to improve the results is to use the Lasso Tool and then simply paint the shape of the horse that you want. But it's a hit and miss. So here I'm trying to make the horse cut off a little bit on the right hand side. This doesn't seem to work yet. And then obviously if you make your selection way bigger, the object becomes way bigger. Let us add a giant horse right here. So the bottom line here is that your selection plays a role in what's being generated. So don't just mindlessly select a certain area. Also think about what you want to have here and then adjust your selection, maybe even draw the outline using the Lasso tool. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.